In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start right from a simple Google search and end with a clean workflow for moving from a higher time frame down to lower ones to backtest price action more precisely. This approach helps you see the big picture first, then drill into the details without losing context. Begin by opening your browser and searching for TradingView on Google. Click the official TradingView website to load the platform. Once you're on the home page, look for the search field at the top of the page. This is where you can find any market. Type in Euro versus United States dollar, which you'll often see listed as EUR/USD, and select it from the results to open its chart. With the chart open, set the time frame to 1D, or 1 day. You'll typically find the time frame selector along the top toolbar. The daily view gives you the broader trend and structure. Think key swing highs and lows, major support and resistance, and overall momentum. Take a moment here to scan the chart and get oriented. It's much easier to make sense of intraday moves when you already understand the larger context. Next, decide exactly which part of the chart you want to backtest further using lower timeframes. Click on that region of the chart to center your view around it. You can zoom slightly if you'd like a tighter focus, but the key is to anchor your analysis to a specific period you plan to examine more closely. Now, switch the time frame to 1 minute. This view reveals the microstructure, how price moved bar by bar within the area you identified. Use this to study how the market built up to a move, where momentum accelerated, and how pullbacks developed. If the chart takes a second to load more historical bars, give it a moment. Lower time frames can pull a lot of data. After you've studied the 1-minute view, change the time frame to 5 minutes. The 5-minute chart smooths out some of the noise while still providing fine detail. Moving between 1-minute and 5-minute views is a helpful way to confirm what you're seeing. Use the 1-minute for precise entries and exits, and the 5-minute to validate structure and reduce overreaction to tiny fluctuations. That's the full flow. Find TradingView via Google, search for Euro versus United States dollar, start on the 1-day chart to get the big picture, click to focus the section you want to test, then step down to 1-minute and 5-minute time frames to refine your backtest. Repeat this process across different periods to build consistency and confidence in your analysis.